In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make page unclickable in Wix. Go to your Wix website editor. On the left hand side of editor, click on Pages and Menu icon. This will open a list of all your site's pages. Scroll down to the bottom of Page Menu panel and you will see an option called Add Menu Item or something similar. Click this option and then select Submenu Title or Custom Item. Name this menu item, click on Done, and you will notice that it has special dropdown icon next to it, indicating it's an unclickable element. Drag existing pages that you want to under unclickable element by dragging them beneath Submenu Title. Indent them slightly so they appear as child item. If page was an actual page before, you can hide it to avoid having two pages. Click three dots next to original and choose Hide from Menu. This ensures only unclickable menu title is visible. Go to Preview mode to check how it looks. New page menu will not link anywhere when clicked, but drop-down pages will still be clickable.